Okay, so we're going to do the front seals in the MD2 valve. We need the 255-219 seal kit, a small adjustable wrench, 5mm Allen key, and a flathead screwdriver. You're going to take the 2 bolts off the front of the MD2 nose. The entire nose piece is going to pull off. In the front, you're going to have your 2 seats and your 2 O-rings. And in the back, you're going to have your 2 needles and your 2 peak seals. Those are your Posi Pack spring-loaded seals. First thing we're going to do is remove the needles with a small adjustable wrench. And we're going to set those aside. Then we're going to take out the peak seals here. And while we're taking seals out and stuff, we want to make sure we don't cross-contaminate the material. We're going to come to the nose, remove these front seats, and then we're going to remove the O-rings. And then we're just going to clean the ports on the nose here so that we're not putting seals in with built up material. We'll set that aside. We'll do the same thing on the valve. We just want to make sure that we clean the 2 ports up. So the seals have a spring side and a closed side. The spring side is going to go back towards the valve. It's a little tricky to get these pushed into the slots, but they do pop in. Sometimes it helps to just use a flathead screwdriver to help get it into the groove without digging. You don't want to dig holes into the seal itself, but they should just push in without too much trouble. And again, we just want to make sure we're not cross-contaminating the material. We just make sure that those seals both go in. Give everything a little bit of a wipe. Then we're going to take our new spools there, and they're going to push through the seals and just screw into the back shafts. We'll come in and tighten those down until they stop. So that's the back portion done. The nose of the valve, the seats have they look like a bowl with a hole in the middle. The open side, so this is the closed side, the open side is going to go face down into the nose like that. So this would be wrong. seeing it open like that's wrong, this is correct. So I'm just going to pull that back out of there and put it in the right way. So that's what you want to see, is the small holes facing up, the big holes facing down. The O-rings are just going to go in place in the nose. Make sure they're seated down. And then we're just going to put the nose back on the same way. So the blue material is on this side here. And we're just going to place it in like this. Take the same screws, or machine head screws there. Put them in place. Evenly tighten it down so that the nose pulls down evenly and seats the new seals. And then we're just going to tighten until it stops as well. And then that would be a front valve kit, or front seal kit on the MD2 valve.